You do not want to miss this video about making money online. Have you always dreamed of making money online? A lot of people are doing it right now. There are many opportunities on the internet which you can take advantage of. This video will show you what you should look out for when searching for that golden opportunity to make money. One convenient way to make money online is to start writing. There are many different sites that will pay you to create content for various people. If you have done well in writing courses before, this could be ideal for you. You can get paid to write blog posts and more. Make a regular schedule for yourself. If you want to make the most money possible, you have to work on a regular basis. There are no legitimate get-rich-quick opportunities. You have to be willing to put in the effort each and every day. Schedule each of your work days. It's also good to put in overtime as needed to make extra money, too. Know that you need to prove your identity when you're wanting to earn a living online. Most companies want you to show proof of who you are, just as you would at a physical place of employment. If you haven't gotten a digital copy of your ID and other information, you may want to find these things before doing anything else. Do you love to write? Are you finding it difficult to locate an outlet for your creativity? Try blogging. It can help you get your thoughts and ideas out, while also earning you a little money. However, to do well, make sure you blog about something you are both interested in and that you know a little about. That will draw others to your work. Once you have followers, you can bring in advertisers or start writing paid reviews. You can see that making money online is very possible. You just need good information to point you in the right way. Just remember that you will need to put in time and effort on it. Nothing will be handed to you on a silver platter. However, if you put in the effort, you will reap your rewards. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.